Disney and I woke up with a sore throat. I think Landon, she woke up like 3 times last night asking for water. Phil left, he had like a sore throat. Hopefully, I wish I could get into the sauna today. I feel like the sauna like sweats out any bad things. So, and then my friend just texted me we're supposed to meet at the Y pool today, and Lana was very excited because she has a daughter that she's friends with. And she's like, I think it's supposed to thunderstorm now this afternoon. It's supposed to be in the evening. So that might be canceled. So I don't know what the plan is for today. I did pretty good last night packing it. Like, it's just like a few things I can't find and a few things on my checklist. So I don't know. So frustrated. How many days until Disney?
1 tomorrow.
Yay! Landon wanted to wear my t-shirt to bed.
Because I want to be a grown-up.
What did you say last night? You're like, Mom, what do grown-ups do when they go to bed? I was like, we read. So Landon got like 10 books and read them.
No, I got a lot. I got 1,000. I got 1,000 books.
Oh, wow. They're all in my bed. We had a girls' sleepover last night, didn't we?
Uh-huh. Girls only, no boys.
No boys allowed.
Uh-huh. You should put a sign that said no boys.
You should have.
No,
like
we.
a fort. All right, let's see if Daddy answers. He's on his way to the airport.
Welcome.
Headed to the pool. I feel like my skin matches my car. Like camouflage. Can you get it, Landon? I'm so tired and I'm not feeling well. I feel tired and sick. I was feeling good at the pool. It's 4 o'clock. I stopped and got Landon Chick-fil-A. I got myself a side salad. I'm not really hungry right now, but Phil was supposed to be home at like 5:30. His emergency door on his plane isn't working, so they rerouted that plane. Long story short, they got like a private jet and he's not going to be home until like 10 o'clock tonight. So canceled my nail appointment and I have to get everything ready on my own. So I'm going to make a list and knock it all out. Have a coffee first. What's wrong, Mom?
I just had to do the dishes, do everything before I can have a nap.
Moms don't get naps.
Well, maybe just a break in the sun would be nice, but I have to work.
Yeah, it's a lot to do before a Disney trip, Mom. And I appreciate it so much. You're the best mom ever.
Thanks. Well, here I go.
All right.
Here's your hour, honey.
Oh, I get my hour movie. It's plugged in.
Great going. We're almost there.
I'm not really sure why, but she loves blueberries, frozen blueberries, and doing Hey Disney on Alexa. So the thing I'm missing is the tether for her Yeti. We have 2 of them and I can't find them anywhere. Oh, and the cooling towels. They're missing. So I'm running around trying to get everything together. So I have an AirTag that's going to go in mine and an extra Bluetooth headphone as backup in Phil's carry-on. Everything is checked off except for what I need last minute in the carry-on. I think it's all carry-on. Yeah, this all goes in my carry-on except for the toiletry bag. So I'll just get ready in the morning and then toiletry bags go into the bag. So I am good. There's plenty of room for toiletry bags. I think I packed pretty late this trip, and there's room for a Bibbidi Bobbidi because that's quite the feat. And her bathing suit cover-up. I am feeling better, but a little stressed out that we have to leave the house at 8:30 for 11 a.m. flight, Phil said. And he said he wants to do laundry tonight when he gets home at 10 and pack in the morning and be out by 8:30. But I've been working my butt off and I got it all done. I'm going to go have my salad from Chick-fil-A that I got. And I am tired. I'm excited to go to bed, but I'm so excited for Disney. So thanks for watching my countdown to Disney, guys. And tomorrow morning, we're flying to Disney. I can't wait. Beach Club. It was the first place we ever took Landon to Disney. The first place we ever stayed. And the first time we've ever stayed at Beach Club. We always chose yacht. So we're staying at Beach Club. So excited. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Heart demonstrations.
So make one line, and then you make another one.
Mm-hmm.
Make it the exact same, and then you make a curve.
All right, I'll try on mine, okay? There's my art. There's Landon's.
It's a bunch of people watching fireworks at Disney.
Very good. All right, I think it's time for bed.
I got new inspiration.
It's almost 8 o'clock.
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.